Welcome to Module 2, Viewing Your Student Reports, both at the individual student level as well as the classroom level. To view your individual student scores, you can either click here on this PDF tab, or in a moment we'll show you another way to get to those individual student scores. Once you're in the Keep Results section of your My Tools and Data Gateway, you can click on Individual Student Entry Scores. Once you click on that, a PDF will come up with each individual student's entry page. Let's see what that looks like. So first, what you'll see is the school district and the school, and then just a kind of a header page for your individual entry scores. You'll want to scroll past that page because the actual data is on the next page. You'll find each individual student's report one page at a time. So for the first student, you'll notice at the top are the literacy scores of how the student performed. Below that, you'll find the numeracy section and how the student scored in each of those areas. You can then print these and use them for other planning and instructional purposes as needed. Once you've seen and printed and gotten what you need from them, you can click back on the tab at the top. Because you were in this Keep Scores tab, you'll want to just click back here to get back into the entry screen. There is another way to view your individual students as well as pool classroom level data. So going back into where you entered the scores, if you click on that button, you'll find at the top a button that says Download. So if you click here, you'll have two options, class scores or individual student scores. The individual student scores is what we just viewed, just another way to find that score report. The other option is class scores. This will create a document that shows you all of your student scores by class. It will download in the bottom left-hand corner, and you'll need to open it up. It is an Excel sheet. Give it a few moments to load, and then you will have your class. You'll have their names, their student IDs, their state student IDs. This may not be the one you're familiar with, so just be aware. Then their literacy and numeracy total, their literacy alone, numeracy alone totals, and then what class they're in. If you have multiple classes showing in your list, you'll have to go through and find the students that are just tagged to you. And you can edit this data, you can sort it however you want. You can manipulate it as any Excel sheet, and then you'll have that data to be able to do student groupings or other instructional planning.